How to remove beta version from iPhone iOS 16. So if you're having some problems on your iOS version like iOS 16, 17, or 18, then this video can actually help you remove yourself from the beta. So typically the beta software is recognized as a profile. So let me show you how to get to this situation. First things first, I have in here this article from Apple support. What you can do is you can stop receiving iOS or iPadOS beta. By doing this, you can go to Settings, General, and go to VPN and Device Management. Tap on the iOS and iPadOS beta software profile that appears. This is that, and click on Remove Profile. So you just need to go over to your VPN and profiles in order to see this and make sure to remove it. Once you successfully remove it, you can restore the current iOS or iPadOS stable version. Make sure first that your computer has the latest version of Mac OS or the latest version of Apple devices. Connect your device to the computer, then put your device in recovery mode by going over to this. If you have an iPhone, you can press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Click on the restore option when it appears, and this will erase your device and installs a current non-beta version of iOS or iPadOS. Wait for the restore to finish, and if it asks, sign into your Apple account, which disables the activation lock. After the restore finishes, you can set up your device from your archive backup, which must be from an earlier version of iOS or iPadOS. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.